Hello all, welcome back again to the channel 1 Mark Solutions. Let us see again few more questions of assertion reason type of chapter 2, 12th biology, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. We have seen all the rules and how to approach this assertion reason kind of questions, everything in the previous video. So the tricks, tips, everything we have seen. Now let us directly come to the question. The first question from this chapter 2, that means reproduction in flowering plant, is assertion states like this: red color of flowers attracts butterflies and wasps but not bees. We know that colors is the helps always insect pollination. So the statement is true. Okay, statement is true. Now let us see what is the assertion. What is the reason? The reason says bees are color blind to red. Is this true or false? Actually, when we say that human eye can distinguish approximately 390 to 750 nanometer wavelength of light. But bees, on the other hand, sees only from 300 to 650 nm. So this statement is also true. That means the second statement is also true. If both the statements are true, and here in the second statement, it is actually an explanation for this. Why not bees? It's an explanation for the first statement. So the answer is A. That is, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the explanation. It's a proper explanation for the first statement. So the answer is A. Okay. Now let us go to the second question of the same chapter, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Okay. In this, the assertion says cross-pollination results in a healthy and stronger offsprings. Okay. We can say that the genetically it will be superior quality. So always cross-pollination is helpful for the healthy and stronger offspring. So we can say right here as true. Okay, true. Now let us see the second statement, the reason. Due to the phenomenon of hybrid vigor. We have learned hybrid vigor and inbreeding depression. So what is hybrid vigor? That means tendency of a crossbred individual, that means formed by crossbreeding, to show some superior qualities than that of the both parents. That is hybrid vigor. So this statement is also true. You'll see this statement is also true. Both the statements are true. Now what is to be checked? Whether this reason is an explanation for A. First statement say cross-pollination results in healthy and stronger offspring. It is due to hybrid vigor. That means that condition is due to hybrid vigor. So it is, the answer is A. That is, both are true, and reason is an explanation for assertion. Okay, now let us see the question number 3 from the same chapter. The endosperm of angiosperms is generally triploid. No doubt in that, isn't it? We all know that PEN is a triploid cell and it develops into endosperm. Now the reason states that it develops, it means endosperm, develops from primary endosperm nucleus. That means we have seen this PEN. Formed by the fusion of haploid male gamete. So male gamete is haploid, that means N, plus diploid secondary nucleus. That means diploid secondary nucleus, N plus 2N, that is 3N. So anyway, no doubt, both are correct. Statement A is correct, assertion is correct, and the reason is also correct. And the reason gives a proper explanation for assertion. No doubt, answer is A. Okay. Now let us see next question. Self-pollination occurs in pteridophytes and monocots. First statement. Read the sentence again. Self-pollination Pollination can happen only in flowers. Is pteridophytes a flowering plant? No. So you can write that the statement is false. Now let us see the next one. Cross-pollination occurs in gymnosperm. Again, gymnosperm. It's not flowering. Then how can we expect a cross-pollination? Both the statements are false. If both the statements are false, answer is D. That is both assertion A and reason A are false. Now let us see the final question, fifth question from the same chapter. Assertion. Insects visit flowers to gather what? It says gather honey. Okay, keep it there. And let's see that attraction of flower prevents the insects from damaging other part of the plant. So both things. Insects visit flowers to gather what? Gather nectar, isn't it? And attraction of flowers. Flowers, that means flowers attracts insects. Is it to keep other plants like protected or like to prevent damaging the other part of the plant? No, that is for pollination. So we can write that both statements are false. This is false. This statement is also false. So no doubt the answer is D. That is both assertion A and reason R is false. Okay, thank you. Thus, we have come to an end of this. Keep watching. We'll be back again with chapter 3, assertion reason kind of question. Thank you.